Good day, sir. I'm Johnny C. Miller from BSBA FM 3A. I'm here to share my personal experience na madalas namin nakakainan sa isang fast food chain, ang Jollibee. Last week ay napag-isipan kong i-treat ang family ko sa Jollibee upang makasama sila sa isang dinner at bilang ito na din ang aming family bonding. We go to the store and the crew was very nice and warm na nag-welcome sa amin sa pagpasok ng store. When it comes ordering at the kiosk, which is screen where to choose your order, and the crew was very attentive here to help me choose what product should we buy. He offered me a complete family meal na magkakasya sa amin at may kasama pa itong dessert. And I'm at the counter para magbayad na. The cashier was smiling and greet me well at nakapagbayad naman kami ng order agaran. When it comes sa customer service ay sobra akong nadalian dahil sa pag-assist ng crew at kung paano nila kami tinanggap ng masaya. At bilang isang customer, sobra ko itong na-appreciate at nakikita ko na ito ang binabalik-balikan dito. Secondly, the food was good and bagong luto, dumating on time and kumpleto. So sobrang saya ng aming bonding at sinamahan pang ito ng masasarap at bagong lutong Chicken Joy. Kaya sobrang na-enjoy ko itong moment with my family. Lastly, ang pinaka natutunan ko dito sa aking experience ay mahalaga na ang quality product and good service dahil ito ang nakapagbibigay ng customer satisfaction kasabay ng magandang feedback. At ito ang pinakamahalaga pagdating sa business industry, the quality product you present and the good service you offer. And thank you for listening.